Hello students, myself Rakesh Misra. In this video lecture, I will describe you the components of cell. In previous few video lecture related to cytology, I have described you the historical perspectives of cell, in which we have seen how cell discovered. First, the dead cell that was discovered by Robert Hooke. Later, the live cell that was from Anton Dewey. By the different years, there are so many scientists involved in the different concepts regarding the cytology. They are involved in the discovery of cell, the living cell, protoplasm, nucleus, the cell division, and many way cell time to time get updated in the cytology. But now I am going to describe what are the basic components. Now left the matter of discovery. In this video lecture, I will describe you the components of cell. That is very important for class 11 as well as for class 9 and those aspirants who are still preparing for NEET examination. So keep in mind, cytology is one of the most important topic regarding the biology, and don't miss the every part of cytology. Here, the overall cell can be categorized into 4 major parts. Cell wall, that is conditional. In plants may be present. In plants, that is the cell wall is present, and in animals it is absent. Cell wall, later after the cell wall, the plasma membrane, and after plasma membrane, each components are the part of protoplasm, where the centralized part is nucleus and the floating part in the cytoplasm is food vacuole. So one by one I will describe you whatever the important concepts and how do they categorize. So here, the simple diagram of cell, you can also represent it with the very simple diagram. It is not the plant cell, neither the plant cell nor the animal cell, but it is the simple perspective, the representation of the cell. At the center of each cell, there is the nucleus, which is common in the plants and animals. So here, the cell wall may be present in organisms if the organisms is plant. So it is conditional. Cell wall is conditional. This is the cell wall. So what are the basic components of cell? Outer cell wall and inner plasma membrane. Inner plasma membrane. Just after the cell wall, the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is common in both plants and animals, but cell wall is found only in plants. In animal, the cell wall is absent. It is clearly previous video lecture. Just below the plasma membrane and after the nucleus, this one is the nuclear membrane and this is the nucleus. Listen, nucleus, that is nucleus is the composition of nuclear membrane and nucleoplasm. So this is all about the matter of nucleus. And apart from the nucleus and plasma membrane, all the jelly mass-like structure is known as the protoplasm. Protoplasm. That protoplasm consists several cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi body, centrosome, lysosome, etc. Now let I describe you whatever the important cell organelles and the components of cell. Here, the overall cell can be categorized as the cell wall, the plasma membrane, protoplasm, nucleus. Now back to the components of protoplasm. The protoplasm consists food vacuole, mitochondria, ribosomes, Golgi body, that is also known as Golgi complex. Plastids are conditioner. It is found only in plants. Lysosome, microbody, microtubules, etc. Many more, but keep in mind these are actually the cell organelles, that is the part of protoplasm. These are the cell organelles. Endoplasmic reticulum, cell organelles. So cell organelles are actually the basic components of protoplasm, that is from the cytoplasm. प्रोटोप्लाज्म और साइटोप्लाज्म थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट बता दें. सेल वॉल के बाद प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन को इंक्लूड करते हुए जितने भी जेली मास है उसको प्रोटोप्लाज्म बोला जाएगा. इसमें प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन भी आ जाएगा. प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन को छोड़ देंगे तो बाकी के पार्ट क्या हो जाएंगे? साइटोप्लाज्म. क्लियर है ना? तो इस साइटोप्लाज्म में ही सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स होते हैं. इट इज फाउंड इन cytoplasm that need to write by you. So the basic criteria that categorize for the components of cell is the cell wall, plasma membrane, protoplasm, nucleus. Plasma membrane has a cytoplasm, and these are the components of cytoplasm. One by one I will describe according to it may be the increase. So every cell organelles I will cover in different video lecture. But first of all, in this video lecture, let I introduce you the cell wall, that is about this topic. And later the plasma membrane, and one by one I will describe about the food vacuole, mitochondria, ribosomes, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. Now back to erase the board in order to understand the concept of cell wall. Now cell wall. Cell wall first of all discovered by the Robert Hooke. You are well familiar with the name of Robert Hooke. So who discovered the cell wall? Robert Hooke. Not only cell wall, it also discovered the cell also. Okay. Cell wall basically found in the plants as well as the fungi. Cell wall basically found in the plants as well as the fungi. The plant cell wall, the dominant components of plant cell wall is cellulose, while the fungal cell wall is chitin. You should mind it. Now back to the next. The composition of cell wall in plant cell, because the two major group of kingdom is the Plantae and Animalia. So let us start about the plant cell. The lower plant cell, in lower plants like algae, cell wall basically consists the cellulose, galactans, mannans, and some minerals like calcium carbonate. These are the components of lower cell wall, lower plant cell wall, like algae. Algae is the group of plant kingdom that has the cell wall but having very low level of plant kingdom. So algal cell wall consists cellulose, galactans, mannans, and minerals. Galactans, mannans are the polymers of carbohydrates, so don't be confused regarding the galactans and mannans. Now back to the composition of higher cell wall, that is in higher plants like monopod or dicot. Listen, in higher plants The composition of cell wall are cellulose, hemicellulose, pectins, and other important proteins are involved. So what common in cell wall composition of lower and higher plants? The cellulose. Cellulose in each case is common, while the galactase, mannans and minerals, hemicellulose, pectins and proteins are the uncommon in higher and lower plants. That's why the plants possess variation among the cell wall. Now back to the location of cell wall. Where is cell wall located? Location of cell wall. Actually, cell wall located above the plasma membrane. This one is the plasma membrane, then cell wall located above the plasma membrane. So cell wall is located just above the plasma membrane. You need to write about the location of cell wall. So in this part, I have described you the discovery of cell wall, the found, where is the cell wall found, composition of cell wall in lower and higher plants, and the location of cell wall. Now the structure of cell wall, let I erase it and I will discover you the structure of cell wall. Now the structure of cell wall. Actually, the basic components of cell wall are similar both in plants and both in lower and higher plants. But the lower plants possess single layer of primary cell wall, and higher level of plants possess 3 layers of cell wall. The single layer of primary and 2 layers of secondary cell wall. Keep in mind. So here I am going to draw the structure of matured cell wall. It is found above the plasma membrane. So let I draw the structure of cell wall very frequently. It will be continue as usual. Now the second line, third line, that will be as in usual color. Third line. Listen, and in between them there will be the plasma membrane found, and this middle layer you can see that is known as middle lamella. अब ये ऊपर 3 लेयर, नीचे भी ऐसे 3 लेयर होगा, लेकिन चूंकि जगह नहीं है इसलिए मैं बना नहीं रहा हूं. नीचे का जो 3 लेयर है ऐसे ही रहेगा. मिडिल लेयर से ऊपर के तीनों लेयर को मैं डिस्क्राइब कर रहा हूं. ठीक है, तो इसी लेयर को मैं डिस्क्राइब कर रहा हूं. बाकी 3 लेयर को, अंदर के 3 लेयर भी ऐसे ही है, उनका डिस्क्रिप्शन मैं नहीं दे रहा हूं. कुछ चीजें क्लियर कर दे रहा हूं. दिस पार्ट इज नोन एज मिडिल लैमेला. मिडिल लैमेला क्या होता है भाई? ये मिडिल पार्ट है सेल के. सेल वॉल जो इनर और आउटर सेल वॉल है, ये क्या है? इनर सेल वॉल. मिडिल लैमेला के अंदर इनर सेल वॉल, और ये क्या है? आउटर सेल वॉल. इतना क्या है? आउटर सेल वॉल. आउटर सेल वॉल. क्लियर है? इनर और आउटर सेल वॉल को बीच से कौन जोड़ता है? मिडिल लैमेला. एंड दैट मिडिल लैमेला आर मेड अप बाय calcium pectate. That middle lamella is made up by calcium pectate, and that allow to glue the all layers of cell wall. It may be asked in the NEET examination. The composition of middle lamella is कैल्शियम पैक्टेट. यहां पे नोट कर लीजिए, कैल्शियम पैक्टेट. ठीक है, Now the gap you can see in between the cell wall, that is known as plasmodesmata. This gap is known as plasmodesmata. Plasmodesmata. And this allows to exchange the important substances from one cell to another cell. Now back to the differentiate the different layer. This one is the primary wall layer. Primary wall layer. And this too is the secondary wall layer. Secondary wall layer. The primary wall layer is known as primary cell wall, and secondary wall layer from the secondary cell wall, that almost 2 to 3. So overall 2 to 3 layers can be generated over the each cell wall. So here the cell wall basically possesses the two different layers, the primary cell wall, secondary cell wall may be the 2 layer, 3 layer, but keep in mind the cell wall are basically primary and secondary type. There is a gap, that gap is very important, that is known as plasmodesmata. Each layer of cell wall is linked with the plasma, is linked with the middle layer, middle lamella, and that middle lamella is characterized by having the very important organic substances that is known as the calcium pactate. I hope your concept regarding the cell wall, their discovery and their types is clear. Now the function of cell wall. Function of cell wall. Actually cell wall perform the very important function that provide the shape, of plants, that provide the fixed shape. Exam में आते हैं specific organs that provide the fixed shape of the plant. Plants का fixed shape होता है, एनिमल्स के fixed shape नहीं होते. ऐसे हाथ है ऐसे को तो प्लांट्स क्रैक हो जाएगा, टूट जाएगा. ठीक है. मैकेनिकल सपोर्ट. Plant cell wall provide the mechanical support, as you all well familiar with the very giant flowering plants, very giant tree like the eucalyptus, coconut, palm, that are very giant and very long. Why? Because of having the cell wall. That cell wall actually support the plants, that the plants may occupy the very giant shape and size. That is due to the cell wall. Flexibility. Plants not only rigid in their structure, plants are flexible too. So due to regular blowing of air, plants can move from one direction to another direction, but rare to crack. Many plants often rarely crack after the heavy wind, and that heavy wind do not disturb to the branches and any plants part. उखड़ जाते हैं, टूट नहीं जाते. बहुत सारे ऐसे plants होते हैं because of having cell wall. So many functions that you need to categorize the in 5 points of the function of cell wall in your own language, but keep in mind the basic components, basic functions may be the fixed shape, mechanical support, flexibility. These are the some important points, functional points for the cell wall. In this video lecture you have learned the various components of cell, and among the various components I have begun the single component, that is cell wall. In next video lecture I will describe you the other components of cell, but stay refresh yourself with the topic cytology. I have still upper side of the cell, that is from the cell wall. Now in next video lecture I will move inside the cell, that is I will begin the topic from plasma membrane. Thank you.